Hi, welcome to CartsPlus. My name is Erwin. We're going to talk about lithium battery conversions. There's a lot of chatter about lithium batteries nowadays, people converting their golf cart. And today we have a work cart here from a local customer. And the goal here is to get rid of these lead acid batteries, which deteriorate about every 5 years or so and cost several $1,000s. And we're going to be doing a lithium conversion. The goal here is to save money, number one. Number two, reduce the maintenance. Lithium batteries have no maintenance, they're sealed, and you'll be able to see what the finished product looks like. So we're going to move from this to a lithium-based product. Watch our next segment. Hi, welcome back. Here you can see we've installed the Valiant 105 amp lithium battery. We bolted it right to the battery tray. We've also installed an external state of charge meter, and we've also installed a voltage converter. So we take the total 48 volts that the cart's producing and convert it back to 12 volts to run all the accessories in the cart. So here we've created a situation now where we have no maintenance, long periods of storage without charging, and a long life warranty. We have a 5-year warranty on this battery. And the other thing is you don't have to fill any fluids or anything, so therefore you're not going to make a mess on your garage floor. Also, the battery comes with an app, so you can check your state of charge on your phone, and you can also check your discharge rate, cycle life, etc. Lots to offer on the app. Thanks for stopping by.